Yes! They're all coming. But they're not brave enough.
They're there. They are accumulating. They are gathering.
What? Come on, they're thinking about it.
You need a longer arm.
No, they did it yesterday.
It is just fascinating. Look at all the seagulls. Maybe they are shy. Maybe they know I'm filming them. What are you doing? Why are you shying away? If you put it on the deck, they are going to come and get it on the deck. I am filming you. I have been filming you all this time.
Did you get him?
Yes, I am filming you. There you go. You want more?
Come on, Dad. The birds are here.
One more.
This is just fascinating.
Someone's gonna poop on me in a minute.
Here.
They're gonna fight.
Jake, yeah.
Go, go, go. Hurry. A few more, and then we gotta be done.
Russell the snake. Here. There you go. Biggie, you totally missed. It's your problem. Biggie.
My goodness, they are fighting.
Hey guys, eat this.
Okay, a little bit more and you're done. You know what that says? It's mine. Wow. Wow. It's mine. You're claiming it. Come on, I pay you.
There you go. I got you.
They're very gentle. That's it. One more. No, not a handful. Not a handful. Don't leave. That's it. That's it. All done.
Yeah. Oh, anyone like this?
They're going to come and get it on the deck.
Here.
Okay?
Okay, I think we're good now.
Should I stop filming?
I think so.